Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix Xbox application stuck at launching Xbox app in your Windows 11. So if this keeps happening with your application, the first thing that you want to do is to simply update Xbox to make sure that it doesn't have the previous glitches installed to your application. To do this, you can just head over to the Microsoft Store, search for Xbox, and from here you then want to open up the official Xbox page. You want to make sure that there are no updates available on the application itself. Now from there, the way to finally fix all of the problems when encountering this is to simply uninstall and reinstall the application. But you must go ahead and do this after making sure that you have updated Xbox on your Windows 11, as you can see right here. Now, if still the problem persists, once again, you just want to head over to the add or remove programs, go ahead and search for Xbox, and then you want to completely uninstall it and reinstall it back into your computer, making sure that it doesn't have missing files or corrupted data within the files itself. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.